Welcome to Hypatia Street. This is a lovely stone-fronted extended semi-detached house, and it's situated in a very popular and convenient location in a quiet cul-de-sac location, and it's really handy for Bolton town centre. There are excellent transport links, good access to the motorway network, train stations and bus routes, etc. And the property was originally constructed with 3 bedrooms. However, the current occupiers, the current owners, have opened up the room to make one good size double, and it could quite easily be changed back. There are delightful gardens to the front and rear, and this fabulous resin driveway which provides off-street parking for several vehicles. So if we step inside, you'll notice that the property is very, very well presented and stylish throughout, with a modern fitted kitchen and bathroom. Also, the vendors have carpeted the rooms, which obviously haven't got a hard floor surface, and it's been freshened up, decorated recently as well. So this is the living room, and it's got lovely light flowing through, with it being open plan. And we have this oriel style window overlooking the garden. Feature marble fireplace incorporating an electric fire. Built-in understairs storage cupboard, and it opens up to this separate dining area. Parquet polished wooden flooring. And this double glazed sliding door opens into the conservatory. Now the conservatory is of brick construction with UPVC double glazed windows and French doors, which, as you can see, lead out onto the rear garden. Good thing about the conservatory has a radiator, so it takes the chill off in winter, and a fan when it gets too hot in the summer. So I'll just show you the garden whilst we're here. Very, very low maintenance, astroturf style grass surface, and we have raised plant and flower beds. And tucked away here is an Indian stone paved patio with access there leading along the side elevation. And directly behind, as you can see, woodland, very pleasant aspect to the rear. So if we come back inside, And we take a look into the kitchen, which has been extended. Modern fitted wall and base units, complementary work surfaces and splashbacks. And up there we have Velux double glazed skylight window. Zanussi appliances, built-in oven and grill, gas burner hob, dishwasher, stainless steel sink unit, and integrated fridge freezer, which I won't open. Utility room. Now, most of the properties on this development don't have a utility room, obviously because this is part of the extension. Really useful room. So we've seen the downstairs and the garden, the rear garden. Up to the landing. UPVC double glazed window side aspect, access to the loft. And I'll show you bedroom number 1 first of all. And as I mentioned earlier on, this was 2 separate bedrooms. So we have fitted wardrobes, overhead storage cupboards, 2 windows, so the partition, if you wanted to change it back, would be straightforward. A wall would go in there and a doorway over there to separate them. But it's a very nice double bedroom and it'd be a shame to change it. So, view of the woodland there at the back. Very, very pleasant indeed. And bedroom number 2. Similar size actually to the main bedroom. Fitted wardrobes, but we do have this cupboard over the stairs. Fitted drawers and shelving. Again, very well presented. And the shower room. Earlier on I mentioned it was a bathroom. It's actually a shower room, but very contemporary. Shower cubicle, close couple WC. Heated towel rail hiding behind the door. Fully tiled walls. So there we have it, Hypatia Street, just outside Bolton Town Centre, about half a mile away, close to good local amenities, schools, shops, parks. And if you'd like to arrange a viewing, please give us a call on 01204 381 281. Or you can email the Bolton office, which is bolton@cardwells.co.uk. If you need any more information, please do not hesitate to contact us. I'd be quick to arrange a viewing because it's very, very nice this, and I don't think it will hang around too long on the open market. So get in touch and we'll arrange a viewing for you. Thanks for watching.